Welcome to the Introduction to Search Engine Optimization, or SEO, aimed at enhancing the visibility of websites in search engines. In today's digital era, SEO has become an indispensable tool. Without it, even the most well-designed websites might fail to reach their target audience. SEO isn't just about driving traffic. It's about attracting the right kind of traffic that can be converted into leads and sales. As digital landscapes evolve and competition intensifies, the role of SEO becomes more critical than ever. It's no longer just an optional marketing strategy, but a vital component of any successful digital marketing plan. Unlike paid advertising, SEO provides a sustainable long-term solution to improve visibility and brand recognition. This ongoing challenge underscores the importance of SEO expertise in today's digital marketing landscape. Now let's delve into the pillars of SEO and understand the basics. SEO can be broadly divided into four main areas: keywords, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Each of these pillars plays a crucial role in how effectively a website ranks in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Keywords are the terms and phrases that users enter into search engines and are the starting point of all SEO efforts. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic. Off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. Technical SEO includes activities that help search engine spiders crawl and index your site more effectively. Each of these pillars must be addressed to develop a comprehensive SEO strategy that drives results. Moving on to Section 3, Keywords, the foundation of SEO strategy. Keywords are the cornerstone of SEO. They are the words and phrases that users type into search engines when they are looking for information, products, or services. Understanding what keywords your target audience uses is critical to crafting content that meets their needs and ranks well in SERPs. The process of keyword research involves identifying not only popular terms, but also less competitive niche keywords that can attract qualified traffic. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can aid significantly in this research, providing data on search volumes, competition levels, and related terms. Once the right keywords are identified, the next step is to integrate them seamlessly into your website's content. Effective keyword integration helps search engines understand what your page is about and how it should rank. Lastly, let's explore on-page SEO and how it optimizes for organic success. On-page SEO is about optimizing the content and structure of your web pages to make them more attractive to search engines. This includes not only the visible text and images, but also the HTML tags like titles, meta descriptions, and headers. The title tag, for example, is one of the first things a search engine evaluates. A well-crafted title tag should be concise, include important keywords, and convey the essence of the page content. Meta descriptions, while not directly influencing rankings, are crucial for click-through rates, as they provide a brief summary of the page content in search results. Using headers, H1, H2, H3, to organize content makes it easier for readers to navigate and for search engines to understand the main topics and subtopics in your content. This clarity can lead to better ranking and user experience. Section 5, Off-Page SEO, Building Authority Beyond Your Site. Off-page SEO involves activities done outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. This primarily involves building backlinks, which are links from other websites to yours. Backlinks are considered by search engines as votes of confidence. The more high-quality links you have pointing to your site, the more trustworthy it appears. Building backlinks is not just about quantity, but also quality. Links from reputable and relevant sites have more weight and can significantly boost your site's credibility and rankings. Techniques for building backlinks include guest blogging, creating shareable infographics, and engaging in online communities relevant to your industry. Social media also plays a role in off-page SEO, as visibility in these platforms can lead to more shares and links. Section 6, Technical SEO, Ensuring a Solid Foundation. Technical SEO is the backbone of your site's search engine performance. It involves optimizing the infrastructure of your site so that search engines can crawl and index it effectively. A technically sound website provides a good user experience, which is a crucial factor in rankings. One of the primary aspects of technical SEO is site speed. Users are increasingly impatient, and a slow-loading site can lead to high bounce rates. Additionally, ensuring your site is mobile-friendly is essential, as mobile searches continue to rise. Securing your site with HTTPS is not just good practice for security, but is also a ranking factor. Content marketing and SEO go hand in hand. Creating valuable, relevant content not only helps build trust and connect with your audience, but it also increases the chances of ranking high in search engines. The key to successful content marketing is understanding the needs and questions of your audience and providing answers through your content. A well-executed content marketing strategy involves a variety of content types, from blog posts and articles to videos and infographics. Each type of content offers unique benefits and can help improve your SEO in different ways. Quality content is more likely to be shared and linked to. This not only increases your site's visibility, but also its authority and relevance, which are crucial factors in SEO. Well-crafted content can help you target specific keywords, especially long-tail keywords, which can attract more targeted traffic to your site. The landscape of SEO is continually evolving, and recent trends like voice search and local SEO are reshaping the strategies of digital marketers. Voice search has become increasingly popular with the rise of AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. This trend is changing the way keywords are targeted since voice searches tend to be longer and more conversational. To optimize for voice search, it's important to consider these natural language queries and incorporate them into your content. Local SEO is another vital aspect, especially for businesses that operate on a regional basis. Optimizing for local SEO involves ensuring your business is visible in local search results and on map listings. This includes having a consistent NAP, name, address, phone number, across all listings, gathering positive reviews, and optimizing your Google My Business profile. Both voice search and local SEO emphasize the importance of understanding how your customers are searching and ensuring that they can find you in the exact moments they need to. Analytics play a crucial role in SEO by providing insights into how well your strategies are working and where they can be improved. Tools like Google Analytics offer a wealth of information on your website's traffic, how users interact with your site, and what keywords are driving that traffic. Monitoring these metrics allows you to see not just how much traffic you're getting, but how that traffic is interacting with your site. For instance, high bounce rates might indicate that while your site is ranking well, the content is not meeting the needs of your visitors. Analytics can also help track conversions, which are the ultimate goal of most SEO efforts. By understanding what actions users take on your site, whether it's signing up for a newsletter or purchasing a product, you can better understand the ROI of your SEO efforts. This data is crucial for justifying the investment in SEO and for making informed decisions about future strategies. SEO is not a one-time effort, but a continuous process of adaptation and improvement. The digital landscape is constantly changing, with new technologies, shifting user behaviors, and frequent updates to search engine algorithms. To remain competitive, businesses must stay informed and agile, ready to adjust their SEO strategies as needed. The benefits of a robust SEO strategy are clear increased visibility, more targeted traffic, and ultimately, higher conversions and revenue. However, achieving these results requires a deep understanding of both the technical and creative aspects of SEO. In conclusion, while the complexity of SEO can be daunting, its importance cannot be overstated. With the right approach and a willingness to learn and adapt, SEO offers businesses of all sizes a powerful tool to reach their marketing goals.